Court does call the case of the People versus Gregory Bell.
Who does this for the people?
It is Carbonell on behalf of Mr. Bell.
Gregory, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gregory Bell, or good afternoon, Your Honor. Gregory Bell approaching for the defense.
All right.
Well,
I
former
now
attorney
have
judges
a
will have
plea
it.
form that indicates that what I had indicated before, probation and may seek prosecutor deferred for the case being upon completion of probation. All right, very good. Okay. May I have it sworn?
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to go truth and nothing but the truth so be on?
Yes, ma'am.
Lower your hand and state your name again.
Gregory Allen Bell.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of failure to return rental property $200 or more, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year. Oh,
I'm sorry. Look at the
equipment.
thank you.
There's too much noise behind me. Thank you, Your Honor.
Not a problem, sir. Good.
No, there's a lot of static.
No, you may not have it turned on.
Oops, sorry. It's on.
Yeah, that's better.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, that's too high.
Okay, sure. I'll let you just.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Form indicates that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of failure to return rental property $200 or more, but less than $1,000. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property not returned. If that's greater than $2,000, that would be the maximum fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I also have to advise you that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Washington in the 14B District Court.
That's my understanding too, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Understanding all of that, still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
I did, Your Honor.
Any question regarding those rights?
None, Your Honor.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily,
Yes, Your Honor.
your own free will,
Yes, Your Honor.
and because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the date or between the dates of March 12th, 2024 and March 20th, 2024, location at 2714 Washington Avenue in Pittsfield or in Ypsilanti Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. Did you rent some property?
I did, Your Honor.
What'd you rent?
A truck.
All right.
When the gavel drops, people think it's over. But the echo lingers in appeals, in newsrooms, in memories. Justice is never final. It's a cycle, and it always comes back for more.
And did you return that property?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And you would agree that the place that was supposed to get, they were supposed to get the truck back.
Correct.
All right. And that you did not return it to them.
Correct.
All right. And that the value of that truck, although it's a Dodge, is in excess of $200.
I would suspect so, Your
Okay,
Honor.
very good. Counsel?
The defense is satisfied. Fine.
Well, let me ask you this and let me advise you of this, sir. I do have to advise you that if you commit misconduct between the time that I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, you would not be allowed to withdraw your plea. And also, any sentence evaluation or agreement, the court would no longer be bound by you.
I understand that, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
I am not judge. It's Douglas.
Oh, not aware of any other record promises.
Okay. And have I complied with the court rule, and would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Defense is satisfied.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Present.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14B probation. Sentencing in this case will be
September 11th at 10 a.m.
September 11, 2025, 10 a.m. That is before Judge Washington. Bonds will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Your Honor, I've been doing urine samples through the VA hospital because I knew that was kind of part of the protocol. Do I turn that in to you or give?
No, I turn it into 14B probation.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the cases of the people versus the Marianne Markowski Smith.
Who has been here all morning, but I don't see him in the courtroom now. We may briefly pass the matter. I'll go find him.
Court calls the case of the people versus Elizabeth Hill.
If you ever show me this for people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Edward Lucas on behalf of Elizabeth Hill.
Hello. What's your
Morning.
name?
Elizabeth Hill.
Oh,
Your Honor, today's time and date for our PCC. I'm asking for an adjournment today. I have a motion up in circuit court on September, what date is that? September 2nd, and that could assist with resolving this case. So I'd be asking for an adjournment possibly
after that date.
after that date.
Probable cause conference, September 11, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Court calls case of the people versus Kenaya Johnson.
Good afternoon, Wendy Barnwell, P4255, on behalf of Miss Kenaya Johnson.
Ms. Johnson, can you state your name, please?
Kenaya Johnson.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I'm asking for another PCC in this matter. I was just assigned this case yesterday. I've spoken to the prosecutor who was in court this morning. I saw him this morning and we talked about this. We're trying to see if we can resolve this prior to any movement, Judge.
right.
So we're asking for another PCC.
This will be adjourned without objection, September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. All right, bond continued.
Judge.
Thank you.
And my clients also Zoom then, Judge. It's
You
the
can
same
fill out the
she's not
form,
the
Ms.
same
Barnwell.
service.
You can fill out the form and send it in and we'll consider it.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Have a good day,
Court calls the
everybody.
case, people versus Michael Laster.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good to see you as always. Robert Ellman with and on behalf of Mr. Laster.
State your name, sir.
Michael Laster.
Thank you.
Your Honor, you should have a green sheet in front of you there. I was just appointed on this matter, so I'd be asking for an adjournment for time to obtain and review discovery.
Probable cause conference, August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Laster.
Have a good-
Court calls the case of the people versus Emily Bates.
Ready, Judge? Andrew Childers appearing on behalf of the people. Court shall feast to Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Miss Emily Bates, who appears to be on Zoom again, Your Honor.
Yes, she's on Zoom. And can you unmute and state your name?
Hello, Your Honor. How are you today? My name is Emily Bates. Hello.
I'm doing just fine. Thank you.
Good to see
Thank you,
you
Judge.
again. Thank you.
My understanding is that Miss Bates is in a treatment facility. We were awaiting her to send us some information, proof of her treatment to provide to the prosecutor. We have not yet received that information. I would ask for another couple-week adjournment and ask that Miss Bates please send that over to her office as soon as possible.
Okay, you got that, Miss Bates?
I do, and just for the record, I am in a shelter right now with very good treatment and treatment options, and I have a lot to convey to the courts about this. I was wondering if it would be possible that I could kind of tell my story to?
Not today, ma'am.
Okay.
You can
Does
call
it-
our office.
My question is, does it have to be in writing if I send something, or would you prefer a typed, like, accountants?
I prefer that what you do is communicate with your attorney and they'll instruct you as to what you should do with reference to communicating with the court. Okay?
So I'll call Mr.
Yes. Feaster.
Attorney. Thank you, Feaster. Sorry, sir. Thank you. It's nice to see you as well. Thank you for your help and for representing me.
Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
August 28th.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Hey. Yeah. August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Court calls case People versus Donald Foreman.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Roy Gagne, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Ms. Foreman. All right, Mr. Foreman, can you state your name for the court?
Donald Foreman. Defense rolls the dice on doubt, prosecution bets on proof, and the jury plays with lives. The stakes? Freedom, reputation, everything. And the House, the law, always wins in the end.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I submitted a green sheet. Hopefully, we're requesting a brief adjournment in this matter.
For discovery.
Yes, Your Honor.
August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir. Court calls case of the People versus Darius Grady.
Thank you, Judge.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Amy Riser on behalf of Diesel.
Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Grady. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Darius Grady.
Thank you, Judge. I spoke to my client and to Ms. Riser on email. My understanding is there is an offer on this file, but it's different from the offer in our notes. So I need to talk to
Try to
Mr. Grady.
rectify what exactly it is. Probable cause conference will be adjourned August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Court calls case People versus Suzette Hampton.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the People.
Anna Mackey on behalf of Mrs. Hampton, who is approaching.
Suzette Hampton.
Your name?
Suzette Hampton.
Thank you. And you need an adjournment because you got to check through JIS, which they tried to take away from everybody.
Yes, Your Honor. Normally, I would have had that information to confirm.
Otherwise, you would have been able to proceed today in the expeditious fashion that the public defender normally does.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Forces out there that tried to hamper that, both you and the prosecutor's office. It's a darn shame. I'm not standing for that injustice, so I'll adjourn this.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
May I just bond real quick, Your Honor?
Bond?
Condition. Miss Hampton.
She's free.
But not to leave the state.
But she wants to leave the state?
For
She doesn't like Michigan?
well, she's chaperoning a youth trip for her church on this weekend, August 9th in Ohio. Right here. You wanted proof?
Am I really going to stop Miss Hampton from taking a bunch of youth on a
Zion Temple
trip
Church
to Ohio?
I would hope not.
Okay, so what dates is she?
It's going to be this weekend, Your Honor, August 9.
Just for one day, or is it just one? Okay. I will indicate defendant may travel to Ohio on the 9th of August. Not a problem. All right. Bond will continue in all other aspects.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Points to the brochure like I can see that. Court calls the case People versus Robert Harris.
If you were to meet them before the people.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Durfman on behalf of Mr. Harris, who's approaching. Mr. Harris, can you state your name for the record?
Robert Harris. All right, thank you.
Your Honor, you should have a green sheet. We're requesting an adjournment.
Probable cause conference, August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Court calls case of the people versus Hiram Haywood.
On behalf of the people. Assistant Public Defender Duffy Lieb on behalf of Mr. Haywood, who is approaching. And Your Honor, Mr. Haywood will be executing an examination waiver.
Waiving.
Yes, Your Honor, with an understanding that he will be in the drug treatment court program.
All right. You need to take your hands out of your pockets, sir.
Could you just sign it? Just to confirm that you're waiving your right to an exam and you're going to.
Mr. Haywood, you're waiving your right to preliminary examination? Yes, sir. You understand that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed? Yes. You understand you will not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution? Yes. You understand? Okay. People also waive their right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, offense bound over to circuit court on the single count.
Evidence doesn't disappear. It just waits for the right question. And when that question lands, everything changes.
Your Honor, we acknowledge receipt of the information. We acknowledge receipt of the information. We will waive formal reading and stand mute at this time.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
September 25th at 1:30 with Judge Slay.
September 25th, 2025, 1:30, Judge Slay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. Thank you. Court calls the case of the people versus Dalton Howard.
And on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Howard, who is approaching, Your Honor. Mr. Howard, when you're present, please state your name for.
Don Howard.
Your Honor, I did check. I did not receive the discovery that I requested the last time we were here. So I'm just looking for a bit of discovery in this matter. And it was emailed the last time we were up for court. I'm sorry, because I left my computer. But I will re-forward the email to the attorney and to, what is it, AD Discovery, whatever it is.
I did put in a request on the 18th. I'm not sure.
What happened? All right. Adjourned to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case of the people versus Serrano Johnson.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Vergils with and on behalf of Cyrano Johnson. Mr. Johnson, please state your name.
Serrano Johnson. How are you, sir? I'm good, sir. Better, I hope. Indeed. Okay.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment in this case, potential referral to sobriety court.
Okay. All right. So you don't have the referral up here at this point, but you're.
No, I just need to discuss a
working on
bit
that
more.
process.
Yes, thank
Okay.
you.
All right, very good. So probable cause conference, I'll adjourn it to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care, sir. Court calls case people versus Stephen Johnston.
Oh, yeah, the Assistant Public Defender with and on behalf of Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, can you state your name for the court?
Yes, I see Stephen Johnson.
Stephen Michael Johnson.
Okay, you need to turn on your camera. All right, what are we doing?
I'm looking to figure out how to do that.
Okay, Your Honor, I submitted a green sheet. I would be requesting an adjournment.
Can you verify as best you can that that's Mr.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there he is.
There he
Got him now. Okay. So he's headed to Bear River now, or
That was my understanding, is he's headed to Bear River.
is that correct, Mr. Johnson? I can't hear you. You're muted.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're headed up there. Okay. I will adjourn then probable cause conference to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond continued. Thank you. Court calls the case of the people
Your Honor.
versus Alexander Cronin.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Amy Reiser, appearing on behalf of the people.
And Lori Yagi, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. Cronin. Mr. Cronin, could you state your name for the court?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good to see you again. My name is Alexander Cronin. How are you?
Good. I'm doing well. He's waiving exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, you're waiving your right to preliminary examination?
That is right, Your Honor.
All right. You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them.
I do understand that, and I do wish to waive it.
All right. You understand you'll not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, I do understand.
People also waive their right.
We do, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on counts 1 and 2 with 3 following. Ms. Young.
Your Honor, we acknowledge receipt and waive formal reading and stand mute.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute to all 3 counts. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
September 30th at 1:30 with Judge Cutler.
September 30th, 2025, 1:30, Judge Conkey. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You do the same. Court calls case People versus Sandra Law.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond Cook, the people.
Stephanie Can on behalf of Ms. Law, Your Honor. But Ms. Law, but not with Ms. Law, Your Honor.
She's actually on.
Oh, is she on Zoom? Great.
Yes, she's on Zoom. Ms. Law, can you state your name,
Yes.
please?
Sandra Law.
Do we need video, Your Honor?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ms. Law, the court needs video. You have to show yourself.
Can you see me now?
Yes, we can see you.
Okay.
Okay. You're requesting an adjournment?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. There is an issue with her community corrections. She's testing elsewhere, so I'd investigate that before we get a violation out of that.
And Your Honor,
Anti-error.
yes, I'm going to prepare a stipulated order to get over to the prosecutor to allow her to test where she's testing at. I've asked that she just text me with that information. Once I get that information, I'm just going to prepare a stipulated order to allow her to test where she's at. So she is
Proper cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. per your invite.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Law. Court calls case
Thank
People
you.
versus Juan Lamaster.
JP originally got it from the people.
Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender. On behalf of Mr. Lemaster, who is approaching, state your name for the judge whenever you're ready.
My name is Karan Lemaster.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. There should be a green sheet. We're requesting an adjournment. We've received an offer. We just need a short time to consider.
Cause conference will be adjourned August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Or as your invite indicates, bond continue. Just keep in contact with your attorney. They'll tell you what block you're in, so you're not here all day.
Gotcha.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you. Court calls the case of the People versus Jeremy McGee.
Alexander, on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender, like to serve on behalf of Mr. McGee. Mr. McGee, can you please state your name for the record?
Jeremy McGee.
Your Honor,
Request-
you
go
should
ahead.
have a green sheet. We are requesting an adjournment. I believe that the videos have made their way over. We just need some time to review those.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. or your invite indicates bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case of People versus Anthony Mangiarstina.
APA Richard McDuffie for the people.
I think I left a syllable out.
Assistant Public Defender Davi Leba on behalf of Mr. Mangarasiana.
You said that perfectly, but you don't have a client.
He's coming, Your Honor. And I don't know that I said it perfectly.
Oh, there he is. Okay.
I'm innocent.
Yes.
False
Okay,
accusation.
Mr. That is his position, and we are setting it for preliminary examination, Your
You
Honor.
want it set for preliminary exam?
Yeah.
I'm not a thief.
Mr. Mangarasiana,
Sir?
please stop talking.
Sir, no. You'll have your time to challenge the charges made against you. Now is not the time to do it, and not in the manner in which you are doing. Am I understood? No? I'll tell you what. I think I can make it so that you understand me. This is not a game.
Mr. Mangarasiana, please tell the judge that you understand him.
I understand you.
Counsel, your discovery is complete.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available on the 19th.
We will try our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person will be set on August 19th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore. Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Jeremy Massa.
Douglas for the people.
And Mackie on behalf of Mr. Mazza, who's appearing on Zoom.
He needs to step behind the bar.
Mr. Mazza, can you please state your name?
Hello, I'm here. Jeremy Meza.
Thank you. You're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Mason.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the People versus Patrick McGee.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Redmond on behalf of Mr. McKee. Please state your name for the record.
Patrick McGee.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment. We are waiting on some videos. It's my understanding that they've been requested from AAPD. They just haven't received
They
them
haven't
yet.
gotten over. Probable cause conference, I'll adjourn September 4th. You need to take your hands out of your pockets. September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. or you're invited. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Jordan Miller.
Jennifer Douglas for the people.
And Mackie on behalf of Mr. Miller. Who's approaching, Your Honor. For the record.
Jordan Miller.
You need an adjournment for.
We're awaiting some video discovery that was received by the prosecutor's office last night.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as you're invited. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of the People versus Lanish Mitchell.
Douglas for the people.
Hannah Mackie on behalf of Mrs. Mitchell, who is approaching to my right.
Lanish Mitchell.
Your Honor, the people would move to dismiss this case. I did submit the motion for all prosecution.
We have no objections to that.
You have no objections?
Absolutely none.
What about you? No? Didn't think you would. Ma'am, this case is dismissed. That's by Nellie Pross. All right. Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Does call the case of the people versus Megan Moses.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Attorney Judge Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Moses, who I believe is on Zoom, Your Honor.
Thank you for calling Language Line Solutions. This is
That's not Ms.
Marion Williams.
That's me. That's me. Hello?
Okay, Ms. Moses, I need a camera. Oh, there you are.
Yes,
State your name. All right, I see Ms. Moses. All right, what are we doing?
Thank you, Judge. I do have a green sheet, Your Honor. We had previously adjourned this case so could make payments to try to get this matter resolved in her benefit. She has been unable to make those payments. I'm requesting an adjournment so I can discuss with the prosecutor other potential resolutions.
She's receiving benefits of some type or trying to?
I think so, Your Honor. But I don't know that she's received them and she hasn't made any payments. And so if she's unable to make those payments, then the offer that was discussed, I'm sure won't happen. So I need to re-engage the prosecutor to see where we go from here.
August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continues.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes.
This is your Spanish interpreter on the line.
Yes, ma'am. Hold on one moment. I'm just trying to clear some other cases. We'll get to that case in just a moment.
Okay, perfect.
Court calls the case People versus Bryant Murphy.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Virgils with and on behalf of Bryant Murphy. State your name.
Bryant Murphy. Thank you. All right, you're requesting an adjournment?
Yes, to continue our plea discussion, and we have yet to receive media discovery.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. as your invite indicates, bond will continue. All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, no, I'll do the span. Oh, you're coming down, right? Let me just try this then. Court recalls the case of the People